Bullish Chiliz cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 60 cents and $1.15 by 2030. Market examiners accept CHZ could reach 47 cents by 2025. Bearish Chiliz market cost expectation for 2023 is 10 cents. Chiliz presentation. Chiliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered a restrictive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to drive its fan commitment stage, socios.com. Chiliz has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the pioneer and president of Chiliz. He has more than 20 years of involvement establishing and developing electronic organizations. Preceding sending off Chiliz, he established WebCity, an intuitive travel guide, and Winamax and Chillapoker, both web-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business person who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to disturb the conventional games industry. Since its send-off, socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage fueled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices by means of a versatile application or web interface utilizing CHZ token. Fans can likewise buy selective product and encounters from their number one clubs through socios.com's online business store. What is Chiliz? The Chiliz stage was made fully intent on furnishing fans with a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices and furthermore offers awards for partaking in the administration of their picked group. The Socios stage is at present utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to partake in the administration of their number one group. It additionally offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. Chiliz crucial investigation. Chiliz is a digital currency zeroed in on fan commitment in the games and media outlet. The organization behind Chiliz is socios.com. A stage that permits sports and diversion associations to tokenize their fan bases. This empowers them to send off fan token contributions, which are crowdfunding occasions that offer fans the chance to purchase tokens that address their number one group or association. The socios.com stage utilizes the blockchain innovation of the Chiliz coin to make secure, straightforward, and changeless exchanges. The utilization of blockchain likewise takes into consideration quick and proficient installments between parties. Exchanges on the socios.com stage are controlled by the CHZ token. The worth of the Chiliz coin is gotten from its utility for the purpose of the exchange on the socios.com stage. As additional associations send off fan token contributions on the socios.com stage, the interest for CHZ will increment, driving up its cost. Furthermore, as additional individuals utilize the socios.com application to purchase and exchange fan tokens, the liquidity of CHZ will increment, making it simpler to change over into cash. Associations. The Chiliz Group has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Atlético de Madrid, Paris Holy Person Germain, Juventus, AS Roma, Augasports, Galatasaray SK, and some more. Chiliz current cost. Chiliz is as of now worth 13 cents USD. CHZ has moved 7.01% as of now with an exchanging volume of $252,582,475. Chiliz is as of now positioned 52 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $902,995,332 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Chiliz to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Chiliz value expectation 2023. Chiliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The CHZ cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 20 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 18 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of 16 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2024. In 2024, Chiliz CHZ cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform 33 cents. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the CHZ's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 27 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 29 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 47 cents and CHZ might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 43 cents and a low of 40 cents in 2025. Chiliz value forecast 2026. In the event that Chiliz effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2026. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 60 cents, with a base cost of 54 cents and a typical cost of 56 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 70 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 67 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, CHZ has a most extreme value worth of 74 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 83 cents. In the event that CHZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 88 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help CHZ needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 81 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2029. While CHZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 94 cents and a yearly cost close above $1.02 in 2029. Chiliz value forecast 2030. By 2030, Chiliz will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $1.08 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $1.15, averaging out at $1.11. Chiliz value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging as a troublesome errand makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme CHZ cost in 2031 is projected to be $1.33 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $1.27. And, generally speaking, we think Chiliz is an exceptionally encouraging undertaking with a great deal of possibilities. The group has proactively